As a closing of this session today, I have to give you great appreciation for all the work what we were able to accomplish. My sense is that there are 4 points where both of you in agreement. One is rebuilding the trust and the communication channel between co-housing community and the farm is crucial and very important for both groups. We came up with a clear proposal how to handle the communication through emails. And the next big question for our next meeting would be the restructuring of, in a lease, creating basically a lease to restructure the actual legal format, how co-housing community and the farm work together. And both of you are willing to come for the next mediation and bring back your notes to your group, and I will share my notes with you so you can bring it to the co-housing community and the farm community, and we committed to have another session in 1 week. Is there anything else what I don't remember we went through? Thank you for that, Dave. Yes, I was thinking about that is a detail in how the agreement will be handled. It is included on the communication proposal. At this point, Liz, do you recall anything else what we talked? Those are the 4 categories what came for me too. At this point, I would love to invite both you, Dave, and Liz to kind of take a little moment of break and without thinking about all the work what we did, just have a sense what we accomplished. And again, I want to express my appreciation for this long-term commitment to clear out the process between co-housing community and the farm. And I would love to have just a couple of minutes to give some feedback on the actual process, how this process worked for you. I am very glad to hear your enthusiasm, Dave. I am absolutely thrilled with the work what you two accomplished as well. Thank you, Liz. I am very happy to hear that my presence was helpful for you, and I'm very appreciative to know that. For me to make it sure the communication is clear between you two is the goal in a mediation. I am happy to know that putting these skills into action is really supporting connection and supporting your communication. Thank you so much. I appreciate your presence and your willingness to support me with sitting in for my purposes, recording this video for my class, and I'm looking forward to working with both of you again. Thank you so much.